I'll make this quick. I apologize ahead of time. Doggy's sleeping. I'm actually home. I'm very, very, very upset in this video. You'll see why. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm alive. It is what it is. I do have upcoming parts, sneak peek right there. That'll come next video. The grind will stop. But again, I am very, very, very mad. So I do apologize for the language. You'll see what happens. Again, I don't want to spoil the video, but just know that sometimes things do happen in life that aren't in your control. And again, I was trying not to go off on this lady, and I just want to give the video some context, not just kind of throw it out there and whatever. So again, guys, the grind don't stop. We'll get something new. We'll figure it out. But again, I have another incoming video, but I wanted to keep these videos separate. And again, like I said, I just want to apologize ahead of time. I am very, very upset at what just happened. And but again, I am alive here with my dog. He's asleep. And but like I said, life moves on. We'll always, the grind don't stop. We'll get a new game plan, and we'll keep it moving. All right, guys, on to the video. All right, so there goes the Z. Some lady just fucking ran the light right here and T-boned me and destroyed the fucking car. She just literally destroyed the fucking Z. It's destroyed. She runs the fucking light and destroys the Z. Straight up. Ran the light and destroyed my fucking car. It's fucking totaled. Fucking shit. Car is fucking totaled. So I put all that money into this shit. It's fucking gone. So some lady runs the damn light.
This is my car.
Yeah, I know. As you saw, I was going this way. She runs the light, hits me probably in the ear and into him too. So I'm just recording this like for evidence. Oh my God, bro.
What a miss.
This is bad. And there's the lady right there that hit everybody. The lady right there that hit everybody. Did you see it? Because I got hit. Did you see what happened? Did you see it? She hit me and I hit into you? What happened exactly? What did you see? Because like I said, I'm the one who got hit. Obviously, I didn't see anything. I just saw the light turn and I started to go and bam, she runs and hits me. Oh my God. And here's the other guy. They're good. And that's the lady that fucking bamboozled and walloped everybody. Fucking destroyed all these cars because she wants to like. And you wonder why old people shouldn't be driving. Right there. Yeah. It's not a joke. This bitch just T-boned my fucking Z. Yep, there's my record. It's done. I'm getting checked out, guys. I think my brother's probably gonna be high because I'm pissed.
Yeah.
Fucking mad. Now I was thinking about like doing airbag suspension too, but I mean, help me out right there, right? That's slow it though.
You'd be able to change your front tire.
It looks like the rims actually survived, right?
Yeah. What's your first? My pressure wasn't too bad. 137 over 88.
What's normal? Like that's good.
120 over 80, but I mean,
I'm kind of elevated.
yeah, I mean, it's gonna be a little high, man. You want to go to the hospital, sir?
I feel fine right now. Maybe I just want the option open. If I feel fucking weird tomorrow, I can go tax or insurance. Woo! I am fucking here right now.
You just want to get a blood pressure check?
Yeah, obviously, I was looking, yeah, make sure. I'm just doing everything precaution since you're here. Why would I say no to it? You just get it done. Like you said, I'm a little elevated, obviously, because I just took a hit. Now I have to go. got lucky. At least the guy behind me saw what happened. I don't see shit. I'll be back with you guys.
We got
a piss right now. So you guys know, here's the inside of the car for insurance purposes. Yeah, I took everything out that I could take out. You can see the bomb seats, the stainless, all that stuff. Probably gonna go to the junkyard once everything gets situated, and the hood's fine. At least the hood survived. Looked like it's fucked up initially, but the hood survived. Headlights, one headlight survived, but the other headlight's fucked. Actually, no, it might actually, you hear the beeping sound, that's the car. Yeah, the headlight's fucked. And yeah, there's the rim. But the hood's fine. I could pull this off and fix that. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I just know that I was hit doing nothing, standing still. That's somebody else's shit right here. Something wrong. I from a lady's car. The other guys pulled off.
Yeah, it'd be easier for you to go.
The thing is, there's a camera here. I can zoom in on it. They recorded everything. You see a skid marks in the road. I got you. You see a skid marks in the road where obviously I was hit. Now traffic's off.
Driver's license click, insurance click.
Look at that fucker.
Done. If I have to write this up the passenger bill,
Not happy.
I can do it that way.
Not happy. The two flatbeds. Got tow, the Z-Bus. There's a lady that hit me. So again, I'm taking pictures, guys. I got the information. There they come. It's just destroyed. And again, there's a chick that hit me. Yikes. Yep, this is not a good video. Not exactly what I was planning on doing, trying to go to work. Watching a lady that's too old to be driving. Should be taking a driving test again. Literally taking me out at a light right there. Thank goodness there's a camera. Everybody's in agreement. It's 100% her fault. Yeah, she was trying to make sure we're okay, trying to talk to me. I'm just like, I'm probably not the best person to talk to right now. Might just want to step back and leave me alone. Just being honest. Thank you. This is horrible. Womp womp. There you go, hooking up piece of shit Mercedes. Only good thing, like I said, all the mods are salvageable. The rims are actually fine, even the rim that's underneath the car. All salvageable. Way it looks. Even the hood is fine. It's that little corner. I could be patched up with this painted, molded over. Again, if not, pull the parts off, sell them. Somebody else gets a nice little discount. Sucks. Completely sucks. And watch other people with no disregard. Womp womp. And you would think I had some other stuff up and coming. Life goes on. I'm lucky I survived though. Real talk, guys. She T-boned me. Lucky it took the impact. So one thing I can't say about these and Nissans, it took that side impact well. See, side impact deployed. I survived. That's what matters. come back once you start to drag it up. You have to scrape it up. They want. They want to get that action. Like, no, you don't.
Oh, like to get out of the pavement?
Yeah. Then escape it. You know, so you shouldn't have bought it to begin with. But now when it's
Yeah, but
paid
that's
off.
what's going on with homes too.
Oh, yeah.
They're the same again, just like they were last time.
Yeah. Oh, I got the pump up. Oh. There goes the pump bumper. Dragging it up. Control arm hanging there. God.
Got a good pop on the tire. That's what totaled it. As soon as she hit that tire well.
Oh, suspension's pushed in.
Yeah, as hard as she hit that tire well, that was done. You can tell from here.
It's done. It's cooked. Not very fun, man. Not very fun. Well, I'm sure it's gonna help out somebody else that's rebuilding the Z. Everything on the other side is good. You pull off everything on the other side. Sucks when other people destroy other people's days, not doing anything. Light turns green. Let's get going. Plows to the right, takes it out. Out of there. This is up to now. We'll see you later. Like I said, at least I'm alive, I'm okay. It's a little sore. As you guys probably saw, my blood pressure is obviously up for obvious reasons. There goes the Z. Alright guys. See you guys next video. Click like and subscribe, all that bullshit. Later.